What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing great out there today. Hope all is well out where you live. Now, today I want to jump into a couple topics. First, we'll talk about the drip price. I also want to get into the animal farm not launching on time, and I'm going to give my thoughts there. And I'm also, at the end of this video, I'm going to send an airdrop to my team because guess what, guys? Drip is still paying every single day. So I'm going to give my payout to my team this week. Now, let's go ahead and let's just jump right into the animal farm launch and talk about that real quick. So, as you can see, the countdown timer is not on here now. They didn't launch on time. I wanted to take a couple days here and see what happens before I put out a video, but they still haven't launched. Now, they did put out a message in the Telegram group, and thanks to Crypto Don for sharing this on Twitter and posting this out, because I don't do a whole lot in Telegram. I use Twitter mainly, and I don't do a lot of interactivity on Twitter. I just use it mainly for research. But so yeah, special thanks to Crypto Don for putting this out. But this is essentially what Forex released talking about the animal farm. I'm not going to read all this. I'm just going to read parts of it, but let's just start in the beginning here. We decided to make a slight game theory change, which will make a major positive impact on the project. I've not made a public statement yet because I want to the next public statement to be that staking is open and a countdown to unpause. I will come into voice chat and explain the change when staking starts, but it's extremely bullish for AFP, which is pigs, and it adds buy pressure to drip every time someone deposits while sending more drip to the faucet tax vault. Okay, so he goes on to mention that they only have one chance to do this. Again, I'm not going to read through all this stuff, but so my thought on that is any change that's going to add buy pressure to drip is a good thing. There's nothing bad about that at all. It's a good thing to have happen. It's a good thing for the community, and anything that will make the price of drip over time go up is awesome. Okay, that's why we're investing in this project. So, they go on. He goes on to explain, it's optimal, and you can read this on Twitter. I'm not going to read all this, but basically, they're making a game theory change, is what it's all about. So they're making the change to make the project better. Now, here's my thought on that. I love it. Yes, do I wish that drip would have or the animal farm would have launched on time? Yes, because it ultimately impacts the current price of drip. It impacts the market sentiment towards animal farm and drip, and everything has an impact on drip. And as I've said before, I'm not yet an animal farm. I'm going to get in. I want these things fixed before I jump in, but I am a drip person through and through, and I believe in drip for the long term. So anything that adds buy pressure to drip in the long term is awesome in my book. And again, yeah, do I wish everything would have launched on time? Absolutely. There's no excusing that. But I'm also not negative on drip itself. I do believe they'll get this stuff worked out, and it will be for the best. Now, one thing that the drip community, that Forex and team could do better, is make public statements on Twitter, not just Telegram. And I know they were late putting the statement out on Telegram, but go over on Twitter and just put out a statement to chill everyone out a little bit. That's the only thing I would say. And again, hey, it's not my project. It's not it's not for me to say how the team should act. But in my opinion, I would have released a public statement on Twitter explaining what we're doing to make everyone chill out just a little bit more. Okay, just my opinion. But again, I think ultimately the changes are bullish for drip. So I absolutely love what they're going to do. Now, looking at the drip price right now, you'll see that the drip price is around 560 USDT. So it's down a little bit today, but that's to be expected based on the animal farm not launching. There's probably some people, even who are part of drip that are fudding now a little bit and freaking out. But promptness has never been part of the drip team. I mean, we had the issue with Animal Farm back in spring, and another issue going forward, but I do feel confident they'll get that worked out. So right now it's having a little bit of a negative impact on drip. Some people are selling, not seeing a lot of buy action coming in right this second, but the faucet's still paying out. I did my claim earlier today. Everyone's still getting their 1%, and I believe drip is a long-term project. So I'm not in this, just like I am with other stuff that I'm in. I'm not in for the short-term gains. I want long-term gains out of this. And if they can come up with a sustainable long-term protocol, I think that's better for everyone that's involved in this project. Now, with that said, let's move on to the final piece here. I want to actually give a payout to my team today because you guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys being on my team. And it's time to give a payout. I do this every week, and I want to, let's give 5 players on the team this week some cash. We'll do none, and just do one drip, and we'll do the budget. We'll give out 5 drip today, and we'll just spread that out across the team. So 5 players have been selected. We will send all of these folks a token today. You guys are awesome. I appreciate it. Appreciate you being part of my team. So guys, all this to say, I believe in drip going forward. I believe what Forex is doing with the Animal Farm. I ultimately believe in this project, and it's one of the few things still paying out in this bear market right now. So I will take what they've got going on in drip and Animal Farm all day long compared to a lot of the other projects out there on the market. Okay, so I'm going to finish up getting everyone paid out here, and I'm going to get this sent out. But you guys, love you guys. Like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. What do you think about the Animal Farm launch? Is it worrying you? Are you nervous about it? What do you think about drip in general right now? Let's discuss and throw your thoughts in there in the comments. And outside of that, everyone have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.